Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Stripe command line interface and how to use the command line interface to run the to test the Stripe webhooks. So first, let's go to the Stripe documentations and Stripe CLI. So first, since we're testing in not on the Mac, Homebrew is for Mac, and we directly use go to the apt, or I don't know if we can do it for the Linux. So, but I mean, apt definitely my favorite way to do it. So let's follow these instructions to install the Stripe CLI. So first we copy paste it. And let's echo this one. I think it has been added this Stripe CLI into the registry, and finally let's see if we can install it, the Stripe. Okay, the way to test it is let's test the Stripe. Let's see, Stripe version. Okay, now we have a Stripe. So if you want to see where Stripe is installed, it's installed in user bin Stripe. That means that you just follow these instructions and you can successfully install Stripe. So next we are going to do the Stripe login. So since in the future we might use these commands very often, so I will add it to the makefile to make it easier for me to run. So the first thing, since I already have the Stripe secret key set up, so I don't have to run this login API key every time. So what I can do is that I will add this Stripe login to the makefile to make my life easier in the future. So login, and let's do Stripe login API key, Stripe secret key. We use the def. So we don't need the production. So in the production, so we the webhooks we will set up on Stripe portal, so the Stripe web page. So it's not so here for the local test, so we need to use the Stripe CLI to test webhooks. So okay, so this is the first command line. So let's run it. Stripe login. See what happens. Okay, it says that we need to go to the Stripe CLI to test to verify it. So here I'm going to test it. I'm going to copy and paste this confirmation to test it. I'm going to so next I'm going to do the webhook. So here so to run the webhook, so first let's find the package .json. So in the scripts we can add a line saying that Stripe webhook Stripe listen forward to localhost API Stripe webhooks. So since my webhooks is already here, so I'm going to directly run it. So so this is my webhook. So I will introduce in details in other videos of the how do I set up the sessions, Stripe checkout sessions, and Stripe webhooks in another video. So here we just want to see how it works. So how to run the Stripe webhooks so locally. Okay, so here what I can add another command, Stripe webhook. So what we can do is first we cd to a module src, and then we run the Stripe webhook. Let's test it. Okay, so right now it says that the webhook is ready. So your webhook send secret is this. So this is in the dev environment. So right now you can test the local